It is time for another Mother's Day to celebrate our great moms. In this special, we want to give you an idea of an useful present that we bought online. This is the Japanese version of the Braun Face Epilator and Facial Cleansing Brush. In our description we will tell you how to get a cheaper deal for this item. Now let's unbox this product and have a detailed look at it. This present is more useful than flowers, but you could of course give her also flowers. Happy Mother's Day!